Okay, that is recording.
Yep.
Commentary information, good morning, Golf Charlie, India, November, Alpha, outside Hangar 7, request airfield information and taxi for local.
Golf Charlie, India, November, Alpha, good morning, commentary information, readability 5, taxi, 1 Bravo 1 via Alpha and Bravo, number 23 in use, left-hand circuit, the QNH 1029er.
Taxi holding point Bravo 123 left hand, QNH 1029 at Golf Charlie, India, November Alpha. Okay. Here we go. So he's given us a clearance to the holding point, which is just over there.
Okay.
So I'll taxi us over there. And then I'll go through our power checks, pre-takeoff checks, and then we'll request a clearance to take off.
Alright.
So heading is decreasing, ball out to the right. Let's try that again. Okay, instruments are working as they should be. Okay, so just take our time at this point here. We just want to give the engine a bit more time to warm up, get the oil temperature in the green. Okay, so positioned into wind, got my feet on the brakes. So we are on the power checks now. So magnetos are on both. RPM I'm going to smoothly set to 1,700. T's and P's are within limits still. Temperature still coming up. Carb heat. That's normal. Magnetos. Also normal. Suction registering 5, ammeter is charging, and once again T's and P's, all good. Let's set the throttle to idle. It should idle about 500 to 700. Yeah, just needs a little longer to warm up. Okay, pre-takeoff check. So, trim wheel. So set for takeoff, yes it is. Throttle friction is finger tight, mixture is fully rich. Magnetos are on both. Heater heat, we'll put that on. Primer in and locks, yes it is. Fuel is on, sufficient. So we have 10 on the right, 9 on the left. So plenty of fuel. Flaps we do not need. Instruments 210, so that's drifted off quite a bit, so let's just fix that. Hurts your hand after a while, this. Okay, that's all done. QNH set on both altimeters. Hatches and harnesses, so I'm all strapped in, my door's secure. Are you all secure?
Yep.
Yep, just give your door a push for me. Yep, that's all secure. Okay, carby is cold, controls full and free. So just mind your legs again. I'm just going to check the controls like I did that first time. Alright. Okay, so those are all good. So just give it another minute or so just to let this temperature creep up a little bit more. So, yeah, as I said, so in a minute we're going to request the clearance to line up on the runway.
Alright.
When we're good to go, I'll do the takeoff, and I'm going to climb us up, I'll turn to the left, and we're going to head out towards the local area, and then once we're clear of Birmingham's airspace, we're going to have a look at the primary effects of the controls together. So I'll do like a little demonstration to start with, then I'll give you control to have a go.
Okay.
And then we'll move on to the next one. But yeah, have you got any questions or anything?
No.
No?
Good.
Oh, good. Now, how are you feeling? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. It just takes a while, this does. Now let's get this set ready. That's better. Golf Charlie India November Alpha's holding at Bravo 1 ready for departure.
Golf November Alpha, hold position at Bravo 1, squawk 0420, after departure remain outside controlled airspace.
Hold position Bravo 1, squawk 0420 after departure remain outside of controlled airspace, Golf November Alpha.
Golf November Alpha, fly Bravo 1, backtrack, runway 23 as you require, report lined up.
Fly Bravo 1, backtrack 23, Wilco, Golf November Alpha. Okay, approach is clear, transponder is set on the correct code and mode. Keys of heat I've flicked on, and I've got all the lights on, so we're all good. Yeah, okay, don't worry. So we're basically going backwards down the runway now, just to give ourselves plenty of room to take off. I'm probably going to take us to the intersection Kilo, just to give us a bit of extra room, and then we'll turn around. Temperatures and pressures are within limits. turn to the left. Birmingham's airspace. How are you feeling? You okay? Yeah. Good. So we've got Draycott Waters over there on our left. On our right, this is Leamington Spa. And then behind us is Coventry and Birmingham. Birmingham's airspace ends roughly just in front of us, about a mile or two, so we're not long we'll be out of it. Climb us up a little bit to give us some room to work with. I want to know. I think 1,900 feet. Okay, so when we're playing with the controls today, we're going to be doing it from a reference point, and we call that the datum attitude. So what I mean by that is, do you see where the line of the horizon is cutting through the windscreen at the moment?
Yeah.
That's essentially going to be like our reference point, so it's our starting point and our finishing point each time we play with the controls.
Okay.
So, if I just give you an example, so if you follow me through on your controls, so just put your hands and feet gently on the controls, just get a feel for what I'm doing. So if I smoothly and progressively move the controls forwards like this, the aircraft's going to start pitching down, and it's going to continue to until I select the neutral point like that. If I move the controls smoothly backwards, like this, we're going to start pitching up, and again you're going to continue to until you select the neutral point, like that. From here, what I'm going to do is return ourselves back to our datum, or our reference, which was that datum attitude we just talked about. So put the horizon back where it was before, and then that's it, that's all done. So what I'd like you to do is just give that a go, have a go at pitching the aircraft down and then up by about the amount I showed you and then put it back in the data. Any questions? No. No? Okay, you're off control. That's good. That's it. That's it. Give it another go if you like to get a feel for it. Really good, awesome. Okay, so I have control. If you want to follow me through again, so that was controlling the aircraft in pitch, and that operates the elevator. We're going to look at controlling the aircraft in roll now, and if you want to follow me through again, so there's hands on the controls. So if I move the control smoothly to the left like this, the aircraft's going to start rolling to the left, and again it's going to continue to till I select that neutral point like this. We then remain in this new banked attitude until I move the controls to the right, like this. And again, you're going to keep rolling until you select that neutral point like that. And then, what I'm going to do from here is just bring ourselves back to that datum attitude again, wings level like this. So what I'd like to do is just give that a go, have a go rolling to the left and to the right.